What's up, guys? Silver Rupa here, and we're going to discuss, as you've seen my previous videos, I actually try to buy 2 monster boxes per year, and I've been waiting for the opportunity to buy a monster box, and I think I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on a monster box. You know, monster boxes actually are the best value for silver. If you buy in bulk, you typically get somewhat of a discount. So looking at the silver price today, today is the 31st, and silver's running 36.59. So I know it seems like it's high. A lot of people are selling their the gold right now because gold's high, and they're putting their money into silver. Don't think silver's that high still. 36 is still low in my opinion. So I'm going to continue to buy. And like I said, I already got a monster box for this year, so I think I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger. Just a few days ago, or not a few days ago, we're running about, I think that was last week, around $40 an ounce. So it's gone down a little bit. We're at 36.60 at this time, and I think it's time to pull the trigger. So, like I said, I'm not even going to, if silver goes down a little bit, I'm not really worried about it because I'm going to be keeping my silver on the long term. So, I'm just going to go ahead and probably get some eagles this time. So, I've been looking around for the cheapest price for a monster box. As you know, eagles are running about at spot price. I've seen ads for below spot, but usually those are limited, but they're running about spot price now. So looking at bullion exchanges, one of my favorite places to buy monster boxes, looks like we're running about 20,275 by e-check or wire transfer, which is what I usually do. Looking at monument metals, that's probably my second favorite. We got 20,405. This is for 2025 Silver Eagle monster boxes. So let's see. Bullion exchange was what? We got 20,280. So it looks like monument metals a little bit more. Hero bullion tends to have good prices, but what I've noticed, their prices have gone up a little bit. They used to be the king of the cheapest silver prices, and it seems like their prices has gone up a little bit. So they're running about the same as bullion exchanges at 2450. And what do we got here? This APMEX. Of course, APMEX always runs a little high. Even with a 9% off the premium and running a sale, they're still a lot higher at 21,180. What else we got up here? Money metals. Money metals didn't actually have a monster box, but you can get 500, and it was running about 21,190, which is pretty typical of money metals. They're usually pretty expensive. SD bullion's a good one to buy from as well. They're a little higher. They're at 20,900. Same eagles, 2025. I think, let's see, what's APMEX? Oh, yeah, we checked APMEX already. So I think the cheapest price, bullion exchanges. I have bought many monster boxes from bullion exchanges, and they seem to have the best prices. So I'm sure if you look around, you could probably get probably a little cheaper, maybe in the 19,000s. But typically, most of them are running around 20,000. So it's just amazing. Just, not too long ago, a year ago, you can get these for 15, 16. And even at one point, not too long ago, they're running about 12,000. You could have got a monster box at 12,000. It's amazing if you look on this chart here. This is off APMEX chart. We're running about close to $40 now. If you look at the historic price chart, just about 1 year ago, This is in 2024 in February. We're just running, $22 an ounce. And whenever it would run out up to $26, I remember it would be like, oh my gosh, silver's so high. You know, really, even at 36, it's not even that high. At 23, that was a hell of a bargain. And you even had dips, in the past 4 years where you had it would run below $20. And even after COVID, right here, during COVID, dang it, what's happening here? Right there, $14.44. So of course, that was back in 2020, but man, it's just amazing. At this time, I bought a couple of Canadian maple monster boxes for $10,200. So that's even running with a really high premium. So not too long ago, silver, I mean, it's gone up over 100% since then. So, but what I'm trying to get at, even though I had a good bargain here, I mean, just, going over, looking throughout the chart, it stays pretty stable. You have some run-ups, run-downs. But either way, even at $40, in my opinion, that's still a bargain. Silver should be way higher than $36.97. So I'm hoping things are looking good right now. Just keep stacking and buying. We just need to empty out those vaults. And what are we running out now? 16-week waiting for silver delivery. So hopefully, in this future and during Trump's term, that things take a turnaround for silver price, because it's so heavily manipulated. And you have gold that's just skyrocketing, and silver is kind of just still being suppressed. So you may see good things. So I would still buy silver. Don't sell your stacks. I would still buy silver as much as you can, because I think, you may look back 10 years from now that you remembered when silver was at 36.63 and you bought a monster box. So anyway, I think we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger on this. We're going to go with bullion exchanges at 20,000. And I think that's a pretty good deal. So we'll go ahead and just buy one for now. I'm still hoping for a little bit more of a dip at some point, so I can get a couple more. So we may never see these prices again. So I'm not going to take that chance. I'm just going to go ahead and pull the trigger. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Silver Rupa out.